Setting up personal projects in professional tools doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're a freelancer or working on personal tasks, learning how to use professional project management software can skyrocket your productivity. Stick with me for the next couple of minutes and I'll show you how to get started with a streamlined approach. Fast. First things first, if you're using professional tools, the key is simplicity. You don't need to overcomplicate things. Start by creating a new project in the software you choose. Most tools allow you to create projects with just a few clicks. We're going to set up a personal project, so keep that in mind. When you create a new project, make sure you label it clearly. Something like personal project. Your name works just fine, but feel free to get creative. Next, set up the structure of your project. This is where many people get stuck, but it's pretty straightforward. Organize your tasks into phases or stages. For example, if your personal project is planning a trip, you could break it down into stages like research, booking, and packing. If you're working on a personal business project, divide it into smaller tasks like market research, website design, or marketing plan. Now let's talk about the tasks within each phase. This is where you break down each stage into specific action items. In most project management software, you can create tasks and assign due dates. For this, I recommend prioritizing tasks based on urgency and add them in the order they need to be completed. It's also a good idea to set reminders for each task to make sure you stay on track. Also, take advantage of features like task dependencies. If one task relies on another, use the software's dependency options to visually connect them. This way, you know what needs to be done first and what can be worked on simultaneously. Once the tasks are set up, it's time to assign them to yourself. This part is super simple in most tools. You can assign tasks to yourself even if you're the only one working on the project. Don't forget to set your priorities so the most urgent tasks pop up first. Next, let's talk about progress tracking. It's important to have a clear view of where you are. Many tools offer visual timelines, Gantt charts, or Kanban boards. These are super useful because they show you exactly how far along you are in your project. Keep an eye on these to stay motivated and keep yourself accountable. If the software you're using allows for notes or file attachments, take full advantage. Keep all relevant materials in the same place, whether it's research, contracts, images, or notes. This keeps your project organized and saves you time searching for information later. At this point, you've got the basics down: creating the project, organizing tasks, setting priorities, and tracking progress. But don't forget the most important part: review your project. Regularly check in on your progress and update your tasks as you go. This helps you stay on track and make adjustments when needed. So here's your key takeaway. Setting up personal projects in professional tools is all about keeping things simple and organized. Don't overcomplicate it. Start by setting up your project, break it down into phases, add tasks, and track your progress regularly. Remember, the software we use today is just a tool. What's important is the method you use to stay organized and focused. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of our software in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of it to follow along and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.